everybody and good morning to all of you. Today I am Bhaswati Priyadashini, a student of Odisha Adarsh Vidyalaya, class 7, roll number 38, going to explain my some views about today's auspicious occasion. Today is OAB Foundation Day and it's also a proud moment to us. And also feeling very proud to be a family member of OAB. And on my explanation, on my speech, I will say 4 things. First of all, I will telling something about OAB. So, next thing is why OAB is created. And I also give some reasons. Then what are the mission and vision of OAB? Then at last I will say the proud moment. So let me start. So telling something about OAB. So first of all, OAB is created by Government of Odisha. So thanks a lot to Government of Odisha to give us a very opportunities and facilities. And then there are totally 4 teachers are present here. And some teachers are help to us, so thanks a lot of to the teachers to help us on our subjects or on our study. So our 4 teachers were appointed. They teach us very good, and I love their studies, and I feeling very comfortable on their classes. And then coming to my next topic, why OAB is created. Coming to my focus, that OAB is created for the rural students because of the opportunities and facilities. So, on the rural students have less opportunities and facilities. The urban students have many opportunities. That our urban students have many more English medium schools, and due to this reasons, the students who are study on these medium schools, they have good English learning skill on their study, and also they have many educated than rural students. If a rural student have a lot of talent and a lot of experience, it can be express their talent and experience due to the less opportunities and due to the less facilities, which is not good for the student. OAB is the solution of the question because OAB creates a English medium school on Sakhigopal, and there are many students are attending this school, and thanks a lot to create the OAB school. And then coming to my third topic, which is the mission and vision of the OAB. So what are the missions and vision of the OAB? What are the important things that OAB want to do? So I will say that OAB want to educate all the students of rural areas and want to compare to the urban students. And then the teaching and learning skill of OAB is very comfortable, and I am feeling very good to study the subjects of OAB to attend the class. And then OAB means Odisha Adarsh Vidyalaya, and also there was a hostel made for us, and it's not completely made for us. It takes many time, and the hostel is very big, and I see the hostel many times, and it look very beautiful. And then the focusly mission and vision is OAB want to educate all the students who have less opportunities and less facilities. OAB want to give more opportunities and more facilities to the rural students, and give the chances to the students to express their talents and express for the students. And coming to my last topic, which is proud moment. So, what is a proud moment? Actually, I am feeling very proud to be a student of OAB, and OAB helps us many more, and due to OAB, I speak English, and actually on Odia medium schools, there was no facilities to speak English and no opportunities. On OAB, there are many students who had come from primary school, who had come from our government school, who have come from Saraswati school, and we are also get together and sitting together and learn from the teachers. The teachers learning very good, and I learn all the things. So at last I will say that confidence and hard work is the best medicine to call all the failure diseases. And it's said by LPG Abdul Kalam. It's a good thing, and I also take it on my mind and do work. And then at last I say that I find the best moment of my life, and I also try my best within myself. And thanks to all to listen my all things. So this is enough for me. Thank you. Jai Hind.